We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
It is time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 S 彭
And I hate Josephine. Alice 啊，你知不知道我很喜欢的一个运动是什么吗？马给就是篮球 basketball.
哇
Love basketball.
籃球啊，
就派天呢？
哪一部？
籃球嗎？
籃球
哦，就是籃球哦。籃球是 basketball. That's right, Alice. I love basketball, especially watching basketball. The NBA 的你聽過吧？
我的
NBA 哈卡怎麼說
NBA
我覺得 NBA 好。OK， 對。I asked her how to say NBA in Hakka. Duh. Okay, let's go ahead and teach you terms related to basketball. OK， 打籃球呢會很酷的一個動作就是要灌籃 ，a slam dunk。
灌籃
灌籃 ，OK， 都是要攬就對了，因為籃球就是攬。籃球好，灌籃 ，that's a slam dunk. All right, now if you're a sharp shooter, you will be able to shoot 3-pointers. 可以這個射三分球。
三分球
That's a 3-pointer. Now, a lot of people get a little rough, and sometimes they will make a foul. 有時候呢，運動嘛，總是會犯規。犯規怎麼說？
犯規
聽起來什麼鬼一樣，不是犯規。OK， 小心不要犯規哦。Okay， 聽起來很可怕的 term。OK， and finally, when things are getting a little bit unstable, the whole team needs to regroup again. 當然會叫暫停。There's a timeout. 簽停 Okay, 簽停 that's timeout. So there you go. Those are some important terms that you're going to hear in a game, especially in a basketball game. And let's repeat those terms again. 籃球 basketball. 籃球灌籃 a slam dunk. 灌籃 If you shoot a 3-pointer 三分球.
三分球 And if you make a foul 犯規. 犯規 And finally timeout 暫停簽停 Okay, that's a timeout. So there you go. Enjoy another great year of basketball and go cheer for the Lakers. 湖人隊會怎麼說？ 富年吹
That's how you say the Lakers. 富年吹加油 That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家
俺只say 張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.